Under the stealth of night and in broad daylight in Homer, Alaska, an army of snowshoe hares is destroying vegetation unlike other recent 10-year high cycles. Reports of decimated sapling spruce trees, fruit trees, and ornamental shrubs are common. This is the third year of a high population in the 10-year cycle. A hare's average lifespan is 1 year. A female hare can have 3 to 4 litters per summer, with 5 young, called leverettes, per litter. But things should change. After a 3-year peak, the birth rate normally starts to fall and the decline period of the cycle begins. Unfortunately, much damage has been done this past winter to spruce, a highly preferred food. On the heels of the spruce bark beetle devastation in the Homer area, snowshoe hare damage to spruce was not welcome. Many trees were girdled and will die. Others were totally stripped. But on the positive side, like porcupines, snowshoe hares do provide some ecological service by thinning dense doghair stands of spruce trees. Most hares die from predation. The main predators include lynx, coyotes, great horned owls, goshawks, and probably in Homer, eagles as well. The major predator on baby hares is the red squirrel. One study showed squirrels kill roughly 80% of leverettes. Food stress usually leads to less effective predator evasion by hares. A 2001 report on hares showed the dominant force controlling the 10-year hare cycle is the interaction of food supplies and predation, with predation dominating. In this study, results showed that virtually all hare deaths were due to predation. All the factors influencing the hare cycle are not fully understood. It is a very complex process, but predation stands out as the most important facet. Snowshoe hares are an extremely critical species in the ecosystem because of their influence on plant communities of the boreal forests and their importance as prey for so many predator species. Scientists have found great synchrony in the hare's 10-year cycles across the boreal forests of Alaska and Canada, due in part to climate cycles, but also due to the migration of predators. As one area's hare cycle declines, predators move to other areas, sometimes traveling over 1,000 kilometers. They go where the peak of the cycle may be just beginning, a 2-year lag from the one they left, thereby finding plentiful food. There is no doubt, as much as people grumble about the hare damage to plants and trees, snowshoe hares are a vital species. The 10-year cycle is a very complex combination of interdependency that we have to learn more about as humans develop the boreal forests of Canada and Alaska, fragmenting habitat and threatening this incredible synchrony.